To FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. I'm Flex, and today we're diving into a full top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to start from the higher time frames, work our way down to the lower time frames, and check to see if we find any good setups. Now remember, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Alright guys, currently it's about 7:40 p.m. Eastern Time. The price of Bitcoin is at $117,325. Starting off here with the weekly chart, we went yesterday a little bit more in depth, but right now, this is kind of looking like a topping tail to me. We still have a day and 1 hour before this candle closes. If it closes like this, to me, this is bearish. We cannot get above these wicks. There's a lot of resistance. The 21 moving average is kind of far. It's at 103,783. And more than anything, these stochastics RSIs are toppy, and we are already on the way down. Now, on the 6th day, on the 5-day, you can see that we're on the way down. The 5-day kind of showing us a little curvature on the stochastic RSI, but look, we have a red engulfing candle so far. On the 4-day, also seeing some curvature, but I've seen it like this before, and sometimes they don't turn up. It starts to roll over. Again, wicks here is not looking good. On the 3-day chart, we reset on the stochastics RSI. We were on the way up. I showed you guys yesterday. If we zoom in, we actually start to see a little curvature, like if it wants to roll over. If it rolls over, it looks like we might have more downside. Right now, this is a red engulfing candle. This candle closes today in 20 minutes at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So it's going to be very important to come back and look at how this candle closed. And the next candle is going to be very important too, because that one might drop us below the 21 moving average, or is going to keep us above. So we have to come back and look at that. On the 2-day chart, we already kind of started rolling over a little bit. Big wick last candle. Right now, we're trying to stay above the 21 moving average. We're barely above it. Now on the daily chart, we see that the stochastics are already really on the way down. We're like halfway down already. Big red engulfing candle 2 days ago. Yesterday, right above the 21 moving average, we closed. And right now, we're starting to lose the 21 moving average, kind of. We're slightly above it. It's at $117,057. So we're only up by like $230. We could easily go below this. And the 50 moving average is going to be the last line of defense, which is going to be 115,347. If we lose that, then we could possibly go to the 80 moving average at 111,651. I already gave you guys the idea that this is a possible inverted head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, and maybe we come down, touch the 50 moving average, start playing around here, and we come up, make the right shoulder, and then we blast off. I'm hoping that that's what's going to happen. Take a look at the 8-hour chart. We're getting low on the stochastics here. We're starting to round out, but we lost the 21 moving average. We need to start getting above these moving averages here. Take a look at the 10-hour. 10-hour is pretty similar. The 12-hour is pretty similar as well. 6-hour, we're low. So with these low stochastics means that, we might get a move up. I've been saying we might get a move back up to 119, 120, 121. I don't see us with enough strength though to get above the last high, which was this wick at 124,458. Now on the 4-hour chart, we've been losing the 200 moving average, but we're trying to keep up with it. Right now, we're below it. The stochastics look to continue going up. The 21 moving average is at 119.96. Again, when these stochastics come up here, I want to see where the price is going to be. Are we above the 21 moving average, or are we being rejected by the 21 moving average? If we're getting rejected, then I probably see more downside. If we could stay above it, then we still have this little fight with this head, because I was saying this could be a possible head and shoulder pattern, bearish shoulder, head, and maybe we come up and we make the right shoulder. We don't have enough strength to continue going up, and we roll over. So we also have to pay attention to that. On the 1-hour chart, we are on the way down. We lost a 200 moving average. We lost a 21 moving average as well. And on the 15-minute chart, stochastics are low. We've been dragging here for a very long time. We also lost these moving averages. So we must get above, as soon as possible, the 21 moving average on the 4-hour chart. The longer we stay playing around under the 200 moving average, things get weaker and we could get lower. Right now, overall, I just continue to see us playing the same range between 110, 120. Maybe we could get a little spike to 122, 123, but I don't know if we have enough strength to break the 124 yet. We made big moves. Things are consolidating at the moment. If we go down, I expect us to have some type of support on 115. If we go up, I expect this to go up maybe to 119, 120 for the time being. Tomorrow is going to be a very important day for the daily, the weekly, and also the 2-week chart. So check back tomorrow and let's see how those candle closes. All right, guys, that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe. And if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.